some parts of my hair turned blue. Hey guys, so today we're going to be dyeing my hair because I'm giving in. I've been wanting to dye my hair for a while, but I was concerned that these green bits right here were gonna get in the way, but you know what? We're just gonna do it. My hair is pretty oily right now. I'm gonna be putting some more coconut oil. Well, as you can see, my hair has this like natural wave situation going on, and it looks like this. I have dyed my hair previously before myself. I'll show some pictures right here from last summer when my hair was like different colors. So this is just coconut oil. I'm gonna be lathering this on my hair because it will help out in the bleaching process so my hair doesn't get super duper destroyed. It's best if you bleach your hair when your hair is pretty like dirty and oily. This is not going to affect the bleaching process in terms of lightening. You know, your hair is still gonna get lightened. Really, the longer you let this sit in your hair, the better, but I'm not really gonna let it sit for that long because I don't really have that much time. So that's done. And I'm back. Today, we're going to be bleaching my hair. So first things first, I'm gonna be putting my gloves on. So I'm gonna be needing this comb, things to hold up my hair with, a measuring thing, a brush, and a bowl. So I'm gonna be taking 1 scoop of bleach. This is this kind, the L'Oreal Quick Blue. I have a big tub of it because I do this often. I'm not a professional, just saying. And then I have a thing of 30 volume developer. I'm going to be taking 2 ounces of it, 2 ounces. And then I'm going to be adding it to the powder. Alright, and then I'm just going to mix this together. I haven't done this in a while. I haven't bleached my hair in a while, so this is low-key scary. I don't really work off of like normal sections. I'm going to be working from the bottom up. Oh yeah, it's important to wear a shirt you don't really care about, by the way. So I found a smaller tooth comb. I think this will work better. My hair is coming out. Let me do this. So I'm just back combing it. Whatever's left, I'm going to be bleaching. all done. We're just gonna wrap it all up and wait. I don't know how long, like 40 minutes or so. Some parts of my hair turned blue. So this is how it is now. I'm gonna go rinse it out and I'll see you later. Okay, so I just rinsed out the bleach. I still have a little bit of coconut oil in my hair. As you can see, the ends are green because I had green hair. I'm gonna go bleach it again. I'm back. I've got the bleach on my hair again. It's still pretty blue. Gonna rinse it off now. So here's what it looks like right now. There's the blue all dried, and I think it's all over my hair. So we finna tone it right now. I don't have toner. We're gonna makeshift a toner by adding some stuff. So I added a bunch of conditioner to this bowl, and then I have this smoky amethyst silvery thing that I'm gonna add. It's like a silvery purple, and then I have straight up purple. Alright, here goes nothing. Oh my goodness guys, I'm such a hot mess right now. My bed behind me isn't made because I'm tired. It's the end of the day. So it's been like a whole day. No, not a whole day, nearly a whole day since I last saw you guys. I went out with my new hair in 2 little thingies because that's what's up. I guess I should probably like show you guys like how they actually look. I'll take these off. So as you can tell, my hair became this like pinky thing. I didn't know that this was gonna happen. Just trying to get my hair, ooh, yummy. Just trying to get my hair all down so you guys can see the final result. This isn't gonna be the last time you're gonna see me, because after this I'm gonna show you my boyfriend's reaction, because I showed him my hair earlier while I was at the mall. Oh my goodness. My hair turned purple on the ends, and then it's like pinky, orangey. Here's how it looks in the back. My hair is really messy right now. I'm so sorry. I'm just gonna cut to me later in the mall This was an accident. It's not supposed to be this color. You'll see it in future videos, so you better subscribe and turn that bell on. Guys, I'm waiting for Noah right now because he has no idea that my hair is like this. So we're gonna be seeing his live reaction. Hopefully he likes it. He has no idea that I did this to my hair. It's a little blotchy, splotchy, but whatever. I look like a crazy person talking to a camera, so we're just gonna wait now. Do you like it?
Yes, I got you a present.
No! Stop! No! What do you think about it?
It's nice, I like it.
Okay. What did you think when you saw it?
I was surprised. I was not expecting it to be pink.
Yeah, it wasn't supposed to be pink. I told him that it was an accident, and it is an accident. I'm gonna explain it in this video. And actually, they'll see the journey because I filmed the whole thing. You'll see it too. Yes. Yeah, my initial plan was completely not this. But oh well.
It works.
It works. Why is it so zoomed in? Oh no, that's zooming in even more. Bye guys, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, like it, and comment something, and subscribe so you can see more of my failures. My camera's gonna die. Bye.